Welcome, low ego action heroes. This is Debbie Levitt from DeltaCX.com. And a question I get sometimes is, should I post to LinkedIn saying I'm looking for work and someone should please hire me or help me find work? And my thought there is, in the pandemic and everything right now, it feels like everybody's doing that. And so you end up not standing out. It just looks like everyone is saying, help, please find me work. And I'm not looking to belittle that. It's real. But I'm not sure it's effective. I think it's working for some people, but I think for most, it's not. So here's what I recommend. If you have a portfolio project, why not post something about it to LinkedIn and say, hey, I've just updated my portfolio, if you have. Hey, I've just updated my portfolio with this really neat project that I did last year, 6 months ago, 2 years ago, or don't mention when if it's a little bit long. It's a really interesting case study about how I worked on this, and I was the researcher, I was the architect, I was the designer, I was the whatever. And then, of course, you can mention, and by the way, I am looking for a job right now, so please check out this portfolio and then get in touch. I hope we can talk. Now, I didn't just write the greatest thing ever. You need to write something better and you need to put it in your own voice. But I think it can be a little bit better instead of just saying, hi, I need work, find me a job, or help, I'm desperate, somebody hire me. I think it just makes more sense to don't bother humble bragging. Just go out there and go, I just updated my portfolio. Check out this portfolio project that I did, and I'm looking for work right now, so I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider me at your company or help spread the word. I just get the feeling that's going to be a little bit more powerful, but I can't prove that. That's just a guess and a hypothesis, which I like to joke is Greek for guessing, but give it a try. See if it is effective for you. And on that note, please subscribe here on the YouTube channel. You can empathize with the like button. You can join the Slack workspace, and of course, optional tip jar. Thanks, and see you in the next video.